Hi traders, how are you? I hope you are fine. I can say happy new week because we just started a new week, and I hope that this one will be very profitable. Okay, first I want you to tell me if you can hear me, because I have to ask you all the time when I will be live because of my mic. It's new and sometimes it's doing some crazy things. So I want to be sure that you can hear me, okay? You just have to tell me on the chat if you can hear me or not. Now we have here GJ on the 4-hour chart, and I want to say that it went up a lot. And if you remember last week when I had the live session, I said about GJ, I think it was around 144 950. I think it was somewhere here, and I said that if the price will close above this area, then the price will continue to go up. Okay, now I can see that the price, it really went a lot up, and I'm expecting for GJ to reject from this area. Maybe, we don't know, maybe we can catch something today. And here it's like we have if we look on the left side, because all the time you have to look on the left side, for GJ here we have like a daily resistance. Okay, ignore these two yellow lines. Okay, but here we have like a resistance here, and the price rejected, and I'm expecting for the price to do something in this area. Okay, so in this case I will make it a little bit I don't know if I will leave it on the 1 hour, because if you look on the 1 hour, right now GJ it's rejecting this area, and we have two possibilities. Okay, let me take my brush. We have two possibilities, like as you can see, the price, it's still going up. Okay, we are in a bullish trend, but we can have this situation. So in the case that GJ will not reject from this area, it may do the same thing like it happened here or here. Okay, and it can happen also here. That's why we have to wait to see how the candles will close. So maybe we can have the same possibility like here, and the price to shoot up again. Okay, I don't know how many pips it may go up, but if we are waiting, and if we are doing how you say, a proper analysis on the chart like this, we can anticipate where the price may go. So we have the possibility that the price will reject from here and come back down again to this area, let's say to retest it, or maybe the price will continue to go up again, and I don't know if the price will go, but I think that the next stop should be at 147.017, but I don't think that the price will do it right now in an hour or a 4 hour. Okay, maybe it can do it later on today, or maybe tomorrow, or I don't know. So let's go on the weekly, because also we have started a new week. And also this line that I put it, this one, the first one. Okay, I said also that you can use it also for the daily resistance, but in the same time it match also with a line on the weekly resistance. And why I'm saying this? First, because as you can see here, let me take my brush. As you can see here, the price is rejecting from this area, the first one. The second one, here we have multiple touches, and the candles are rejecting, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles that they are rejecting from this area. And plus, if we look more on the left side, oh yes, here also we have some rejections and so on. So like this, you have to do your analysis, and like this you can identify where you have your resistance or support. So like this you can anticipate, if you're taking any trade, to know exactly where to place your stop loss, where to place your take profit. Maybe you will have multiple, let's say, take profits, so you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, depends how you are trading. So in this case, I have mapped the daily and the weekly resistance from here. That's why you can see that the price is rejecting from this area. And also I have put here the 4-hour resistance, and we can have the possibility that the price will reject from this area and then to come back down here and then to go up again. But the best thing is to wait. And in this case, if you want to trade the same thing with me, maybe we can find something to trade today. Let me think. Okay, let's see if we can leave it also on the 15-minute, because I like also to stay on the 15-minute chart, because the candles are moving fast, but in the same time they can give you a low confirmation. But if you stay on the 30-minute and 1 hour, you can place orders, and you can have a trade. In this case, I don't have to stay on the 4-hour chart, because I know already that I have back in my mind that on the 4-hour chart already the candle is trying to reject from this area, and I don't have to stay on that chart again. Okay, so now I want to see how this 1-hour candle it's reacting. Let me do a little bit bigger the candles, because like this will be easier for you to see it. And let's say that here we can have again an area where we can play, and maybe we can expect GJ to come back down here, and it can be almost like 20 pips. So in this case, that for example GJ it's rejecting from this resistance from here, okay, I am expecting the price to come back down to, let's say, 146, 128. Okay, that's why all the time I say don't be in a rush, wait all the time for the price to give you the best entry. Okay, and like this you can have an easy trade without how you say, without staying too much on the market, or having a very difficult moment to trade it. I don't know how to explain it. So in this case I will leave also, sometimes I will put the charts on the 15-minute, because I told you already the price, I like it because the price is moving faster. So I will put here, let's say, daily, no, I will put 1 day, Okay. Good. So what did I put here? Let me go again on the 4 hour. This is more like a resistance, but in the same time, so if the price will come back down, this one, it will become a support. Okay. Okay. So now we have here the daily resistance. Okay. And now let's see on the 15-minute what these candles are trying to do. So for example, in this case, if I want to take any trade, first we have to measure how many pips do we have. Okay. And let's say that I would like to catch, let's say, something about 20 pips. So if the price will break somewhere this area, then I can have a sell. Okay. And with a minimum stop loss, and I will show you how, if we have the possibility to have a trade, and also in the same time I will explain you how to move your stop loss and how to protect your entry. Okay, because this is very important before taking any trade. You must know risk management. Somebody is asking me about EJ. Well, please, you have to tell me something about EJ. I can tell you something about EJ without opening any charts, that it looks like it's in the same situation like GJ, going up and going up. Okay. So I am waiting also for that pair, like a retracement, because all the pairs that we are looking at, okay, it can be gold, GU, I don't know, USDJPY, all of them, they cannot go straight like a rocket, or they cannot go straight down. They must have all the time some retracement. Okay, it's going up like waves, up, down, up, down. So I think that EURJPY is in the same situation like GJ, going up. And okay, let me check. Yes, it looks similar. So if you go on the 15-minute chart, it looks similar. If I'm going on the 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. So in the same case, EURJPY, it's rejecting from an area that it's very important. And it depends a lot where the price will close. That's why I'm saying that it's very important to understand the price action, because if you don't know what's going on the market, you will not be able to have profitable trades. Okay, so also I say the same thing to my students, that first of all, and the base of the Forex market, is to understand the price action. And after the price action, of course, you have a lot of tools that they can help you, and they can give you, let's say, 90% of a currency when you are taking any trades. Like, for example, you use indicators like Fibonacci, or I don't know, like EMAs, or depends what do you like, but you don't have to use too many indicators, because then you will lose your head, first of all. And the second is that you don't have to use it all the time. So that indicator, it doesn't have to be all the time on your charts. Okay, and as you can see me, for a moment I have only the price action. I am using only support and resistance, and I just read what's going on the market, and I predict how the market can go by how the candles are looking. Okay, so it's simple. You don't have too many options, let's say, when you are in front of the charts. So in this case of GJ, or I don't know, EURJPY, you can do like this. If the price will break any zone, that means that it will go up. If the price will reject from that zone, that means that it will go down. So it's not easy, it's not hard, it's very easy. The thing is that you have to know exactly when to enter in the market, because like this you can have a very, very fast trade and you can earn pips very quickly. And the third thing is that you have to understand risk management. So if you don't know how to manage your trades, you can read 10 books, 100 books if you want. So if you don't have the risk management, then you will be dead, and believe me, you will lose money. And why? Because in the same time you will be afraid of taking trades, and you will be afraid for losing, I don't know, $10 in a trade, depends of which lot size are you using. So before going into a trade, think of what I told you now and what I'm telling you now in every session that I'm doing here live on YouTube, that you have to respect some rules before going into a trade, okay? And another thing that I suggest you is to invest in you, okay? Like, for example, your parents are investing in you and saying that I have to send my kids to the best schools and I don't know, best universities, because you have to learn what's next and how to manage your next business. I don't know what, maybe you're a doctor, or maybe, I don't know, you have a shop, or I don't know, coffee shop, and so on. So for every job on this planet, you must do, let's say, some schooling, I don't know how to call it, and you have to learn about it, because you don't have to go blind. I can say that I saw also people that they didn't know anything about Forex trading, and they went only by let's say feeling that I'm pretty sure that the price will go up, I'm pretty sure that the price will go down, and believe me that they lost a lot of money. So I suggest you to invest in yourself, and I suggest you to read and learn, because in this business, believe me, you are learning every day, and I'm learning too every day new stuff. Don't think that if I give courses, or I don't know, if I'm doing live sessions, or if I have a group channel, I'm not learning. Believe me, I'm learning every day, and I'm learning also from my beautiful team that I have it next to me, and that they are there every day with me, okay? And we are coming with new ideas, and they are coming with new stuff also about the EA, and about the courses and everything that is related about BloomFX, okay? Because we want to create something beautiful, we want to create something big, and I want you to remember about BloomFX, okay? Like I don't know, your best place to take signals, or your best place to take courses, and so on. That's why my team and me, we are improving every day and coming with trying to come with new things, okay? Okay, and now I'm looking at GJ on the 15-minute, and it looks like it's rejecting from this area, okay? And I wanted to tell you that all the time when you are in front of the charts, if you want to take any trades, if you think that, okay, the price will not go, let's say going down like I want, let's take a buy. I don't suggest you this, because you can end up losing money, because the market will not go in the direction that you really want, okay? So in this case, in my case, now I am waiting for GJ to reject from this area and maybe to have a sell. And if I will have a sale, we can have it together, and I will do it live, and you will see where I will put my take profit, my stop loss, and so on. Okay, and in the same time, the sound is low. Maybe I should scream, I don't know. Maybe you have a problem and I don't have a problem. Okay, so we still have another almost 5 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close, and then we will have another 1 hour for the 4 hour candle to close. And I would love to see how this 4 hour candle looks, and I can see that it's trying to close, let's say. So if it's still going to play at this level, it means that really nothing happens. It's like it opened and it closed almost at the same price. So maybe nothing will happen in the next hour, or maybe the price will continue to go up to fill this wick. Okay, let me take this one. So here we have a very small support. Okay, and the price is trying to continue to go up and to break this area here. And most probably, if the price will break this area, what do we have here, 146 500. So if the price will close above that area, then usually the price it will go to continue to fill this week, because usually this is happening when we have momentum. And I still believe that we must have momentum, because also the 4 hour candle will close, and in the last hour, oops, I am waiting for the price to make some moves. Okay, and in this case I can see that the price, it's trying to break and to continue to go up. So everything is fine. What do you mean? Yes, everything is fine. You are saying about the guy that he said that the sound is low. So like I'm always saying, because that's why I'm here doing live sessions, I would love to say, don't rush, don't overtrade, and don't risk more than 2% of your account. And how do I say, I'm not speaking like crazy here almost every day on the live stream, saying that do like this, and do like this, because I'm trying to learn you, and I want to make you understand how the things function in this industry. And I'm pretty sure that a lot of people are new here, and they are watching, and they are trying to learn about what's going on the market. So before taking any trade, look with for not risking more than 2% of your account, and if you know how to manage your trades, you can have profitable trades. So in this moment, on the 30-minute, I can see that the price is rejecting a little bit this area, and we may have the possibility that the price will range a little bit on this zone, and maybe to come back down again to retest this area, or maybe the price, if it's going to break it and close above this zone, then it will continue to go up. So I'm going back on the 4 hour and saying that again, now the price is trying to push up again. And then on the daily, if the price, so on the daily, the price, if the price will close above the yellow line, then the price will continue to go up. Okay, So this is for the guys that they are trading GJ. I like to do scalping on GJ, and I said it many times. Why? Because it's moving very fast, because it's very violent, and it's something similar like GJ. So if you are not cautious, you can end up losing a lot of money, but in the same time you can make a lot of money with GJ. So I like GJ because it's not slipping. I don't know how to say. And if you want a pair which it looks, let's say, and it moves, let's say, similarly, it's a EURJPY, and but it's not so violent. It's a little bit more calm down. Okay, also GJ, it had some huge moves because also it was with the virus, also it happened with the Brexit and so on. So I think that last year we had some huge moves on the on GJ, and not only on GJ, but I really wanted to say that it's a violent pair and you should know how to control it, okay? But in the same time you can play GU, GCAD, I don't know. If you have any questions you can ask me. If big time frame shows doji reversal candle, mean it's going bull bearish, right? What? If big time frame shows doji reversal candle, if it's doji, means that it will reject from that area, okay? I don't trade for with the candles like, how do they look? Doji, I don't know, hanging man, or how you call it, hammer, or I don't take this in an account. I know that it's also this style. I like to read in another way the candles. So it's about, how do you say, it's about where do exactly they close, at which price, okay? So that's why I said that every trader has their own style, okay? And mine, let's say, I don't know, it's not, I don't like to, how you say, to trade with this kind of candles, or looking for this kind of candles in the market. I like to trade with the candles and how do they close, and how big they are, and how small they are. And I'm looking at the shape, and I am trading the wicks, sometimes not the candles. So I have a different style. That's why I don't know exactly what you mean, but I think I know what you mean. The doji reversal, it means that the price will reject. So in my case, that if I see any candle that it's rejecting and creating a huge wick from above, that means that it's a reversal candle, and that means that if it gives me a very good confirmation in my case, then I will take a sell. So I am trading something like this. Pound is violent. Pound with GPY, it's violent because there is a lot of fluctuation, how you call it, and there is sometimes a lot of pressure. And if you notice, this pair, it can be traded on the Asia session, London session, and New York session, okay? So if you find also the overlapping, believe me, this pair, it's moving like crazy. During the news, I don't know if you had in front of you GJ during the news, but believe me, it's moving very, very fast. Isn't it doji indecision instead of reversal? Doji, I think it's the one that it's closing and it's opening and it's closing almost at the same price, I think. I don't know. I told you that I'm not trading like this with these candles. I'm trying different. I'm trading different, but you can see candles like doji on top of a chart, and then the price to come back down again, because in that case it means that there is a lot of pressure coming from sellers, but in the same time you can find him at the bottom of the chart and that means that the price will have again a reverse, and it will continue to go up again. So in this case, it started a new hour, okay, in the last hour of the 4-hour candle, and I want to go a little bit on the 1-hour candle, on the 1-hour chart. And in this case, what I have learned, that's why I said maybe I'm trading different. I'm trying to trade like break and retest, and I'm trying to trade how the books are saying, like buy at the support, sell at the resistance. And in this case, I can say that I would love to take a buy from here. For example, I can give you a long position, okay? So why I'm saying this? Even if we have the daily resistance here. Why I'm saying this? Because in my mind, it's like, okay, we had this rejection from here, but I am more, let's say, going for setups like this ones, because in my mind, this one, it's like a break, coming back down, retest, and then the price will continue to go up again at this price of 146,634. So I like to trade like this. Even if we are on the daily resistance, the price, it can touch again and push more the price up. And why I'm saying this? Because I can see that I am in a very bullish momentum, and the price can continue to go higher and higher. So what do you want it to tell me? That if you are going, you are telling me exactly about this candle. Yes, you can see candles that they are closing exactly like this, okay, and the next one will come back up again and come back down. So to be honest, in my opinion, this candle, if it's going to close like this, it means that nothing happened, okay? So that's why the next candle should be important, okay? And yes, we have the probability that the price will reject from this area, and the probability is higher because you are at the daily resistance, and at the same time it match with the with a weekly resistance. So even if it's harder to break it, the price can go up and come back down again, and creating wicks, like fake outs. I don't know how to call it. So in my case now, for example, that GJ here is trying to create a support, okay, and if this candle was closing, let's say, higher, like somewhere here on top of this yellow line, so I'm talking about this candle, okay, so this candle, if we're closing higher, okay, at this level, in my mind was very, very easy that the price will continue to go up, okay, to touch again this area, or maybe even higher. But I am a little bit suspicious that the price will not do what I think. Okay, let me delete everything from here. Good. So usually I trade when I see this kind of arrangement on the charts, okay? So I really want to see what's going on here. On the 1 hour is trying to create a support. On the 30 minutes, it's doing the same thing. So I don't care about this candle. I really don't see it. I care about only this one and this one. And in my head, it's like the price close it above this zone. So it can gives me, let's say, in percentage, it's like there is a higher probability that the price will continue to go up again. Let me go on the 15, and on the 15 minutes, I really don't care about these two little candles here. even if you look, this one it closed higher than this one, and this one it went up, it rejected, then it went up again, and it closed above this area that was interested for me. Now in this case that the candles will close lower than this zone, that means that there is no buy and the price will continue to go down. Okay, so I really want to see how these candles will move. So on the 30-minute we still have almost 20 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close. Okay, and let me see on the 15. I will leave it on the 15. On the 15 we still have 4 minutes and 45 seconds for this half an hour to close. So I am trading something like this, okay, and I really don't care about these two little candles, although I don't care about them. I care about this one and about this one. So if the price is continue to go down, then the price it may come back down again. Okay, or maybe it's just ranging and doing really nothing. Okay, so like this I am trading. This it didn't was a buy. I didn't say I'm in a buy or something like this. Okay, when I say I'm in a buy, you can go in the same time with me. This was just an explanation, and also I want to watch at least the 15-minute candle, how it will close, and also the half an hour candle. Okay, do you still have any questions? So it's simple. If a zone it will be broken like this one, that means that the price will continue to go up. If not, that means that the price will continue to go down. And I really want to see, I think that I will stay on the 30-minute chart. Okay, and to see how this candle it will move. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Oh, looking at GJ, it's exactly what I told you. Now it's rejecting from this area on the 15-minute. So if it's going to close above this zone, then it may continue to go up again and maybe to retest again this area of 146, let's say 600. Okay, there are not too many bips because we are on the 15-minute, but I can see that now price is rejecting from here, but we have to wait. So I think that I have told you many times that 90% of the time you just wait and 10% of the time you execute. Sorry that I have stopped my video, but I had to put on the signal group that I gave today a signal, and we have made 10 pips, but I think that it will continue to go at least 25-30 pips, but I want you to secure your trade, and for those that they want more, they should wait. If not, they can close here this trade if they are happy. Okay, and now coming back to GJ, we still have 11 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close, and also the 4-hour candle. I think that I had a question here about can you identify supply zone or weekly or monthly for GJ? Well, can you do this? Because I think that it's more important for you to know how to do this. And if you can do it, you can send me a chart. And like this, I can see that if you know something about Forex or not. That's where I guess it may reverse if any supply left. Don't worry, all the time on the market there is something left, and the big institutions, they place orders only because they left something and because they want it back. Okay, and from what I know, I think the big institutions, they place 2 trades, let's say a year, and if something is left, they are coming on the market and they take everything that they need. Okay, do you wait for confirmation to entry, or when the price break take the trade immediately? So I am waiting for the price for GJ to break this area, and if it's going to break it, not all the time when it's break it, but the most important thing is to wait for the price to close above or under an area that you are waiting for. What I was trying to say to you is that I really trade usually this kind of setups, and this is the easiest setup that it can look right now. The only dangerous thing is that it's, let's say, at the end. Okay, and I really don't like that the price it closed around here and not here, because if the daily resistance was here, was easier for me to tell you that okay, I will take this trade faster with my eyes closed. Why? Because here we have that beautiful setup that I'm talking all the time. It's break and retest. Okay, so the price is breaking through a zone, coming back down, create like a support, and then coming back up again to retest an area. Okay, so this is available also on the downtrend or in an uptrend. So that's why I didn't took any trade right now. I was just explained it to you before, so don't take anything without me telling you I am in. Okay, because you have to be very cautious when I'm speaking. Okay, so what I know and what I have learned is that if the price is creating here like a support, the next one should continue to go up. The only issue that we have here is that this yellow line, which I don't like it, and it matches with the daily and the weekly resistance, and only if the price will close above this area, that means that it can give me the confirmation that the price will continue to go up. Or if it's going to reject it, then the price will play a little bit on this area. Maybe it's going to create like a small range and then retest again this area and maybe to come back up again. So in this case, as you can see, the price is trying to push up, and maybe the price will will fill this week. So when you see this kind of setups, you can take it. Me, that's why I didn't take it, because we have this line here and I can see that the price is trying to push, but then it's coming back down on the 1 hour and so on. So even though, let me go on the daily and see. So if the price will reject from this area, where it may go. First, it may go here where this week was finished, and it's about 146 800, okay, and this is, let's say, the first stop, and we can do it like this. This can be the first stop, and the best and the crazy stop should be here, somewhere here around 147, but this could happen in days, like, I don't know, few days, maybe it can be a week or something like that. So let's see how the price will react on this area, and it's a little bit difficult to take this trade if the price will close around this zone, also because we have this issue here where the candles close it and reject it. And it didn't happen one time, it happened many times. Also this one, it had rejected this one. So it's a very strong and strange area where we have to be very cautious before taking any trades, okay? Now, I think we still have another 6 more minutes for this 4-hour candle to close, and I would love to leave this chart, let me see, on the 15 minute, because it's moving faster. I mean, the time it's passing different, okay? So if I will have any confirmation, yes, I can go into a trade. If I don't, I'm not. Usually, I told you, I don't go into a trade, and you should do the same. Don't go in any trade without confirmation, okay? So don't go by your instinct that, oh, I feel now that GJ is going to continue to 146. Well, it may continue, okay? But you need something, a confirmation, okay? It's not that hard to wait, okay? So on the 15 minute, it looks like the price is trying to push up. We still have 4 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close, and also 30-minute candle to close. I want to leave it a little bit bigger like this, and let's see how the price will play, okay? Again, I want to say that I am not really in a rush to take any trade, because also I have sent a very good signal today, and we are already in profit with that one. So for those that they are not on my group channel, they can subscribe, and you have all the details on the website, okay, about the signals, about the courses, about the EA, whatever you want, okay, because you have many options, plus the one which is free here on YouTube, and you can come here when I am doing live sessions, and you can learn something, because I'm speaking about trading, and when I have the opportunity also I take live trades, okay? So I hope that also this session was useful for you, and I hope. And as I can see, I was right again. So price creating a support, and this one is trying to push up. And also we can have, let's say, the possibility that the price will continue to go up without any confirmation. And why? Because we still have 30 minutes from this 4-hour candle. And usually when you are in the last hour of the 4-hour candles, there is a momentum, and the price can move a little bit faster, okay? That was a good call, the signal you sent. I saw the picture right now. Well, thank you. Yes, so I can say that I am giving good signals, okay? I am a very cautious trader. I'm not, how you say, I'm not trading like crazy. I like to be, I like to take care, let's say, of my money and of your money, because I'm speaking like this because there are also traders that now they are on my how you say, on my VIP channel, and they can see all the signals that I'm sending there every day, or when I see signals, okay? So I don't like to send signals only just for the sake of sending them. I don't know how to say. I like to make money, and I think that you like too. That's why I don't rush in a trade. I never rush in a trade. I'm very calm, I'm very cautious, I'm waiting all the time, and when I have, let's say, and when I see the best opportunity for me, I go in a trade, okay? So somebody was saying now in the group that you have to be very, how you say, psychologically you have to feel very good, and you have to feel confident while you are taking any trades, okay? So usually, I told you, in this case from here I could let's say blindly take this trade. Why? Because we have the break and retest, and here the price is creating support, and usually when the price is creating support, the next one should continue to go up, at least to retouch again this area. But I didn't took it. Why? Because I don't like it that we are around this resistance zone, which is a very strong one, and I don't want to risk, let's say, my money and your money, because you will take the same trade like I trade, okay? And I don't want you to risk only let's say, like proving myself that I was right. I will know when I will be right, when I will see if the price will move or not. So if you are let's say not taking any trades, don't worry. For you it could be a winning trade, not a losing trade, okay? Because at that time you are not risking your money, you are just learning, and you can learn a lot of things with me, okay? So now the new 30-minute candle should start, okay? And it closed, let's say, above this area, but in the same time, you know, it can make a double how you say, an M, like an M, and then the price to come back down again, even if it closed above this area. Let me see. I don't take it because we have too little pips right here. So it's like if I'm going into a trade from here to here, it's like 10 pips or even less. So I don't want to risk something for 10 pips, okay, right now. because I told you already I am in a profit with the trade that I give it as a signal, and plus I tell you I believe that it will still continue to go at least 30 pips. Okay, so for those that they want to learn more, they can go to the website, or they can go to Instagram page of BloomFX, and there they have all the details, or they can go to my private page at Madi BloomFX, and there you can see everything that I'm posting about Forex, and you will see everything there on stories. Okay, so if you want to learn more, you can contact me. Okay, I am here every day on the Forex market. I'm sending signals. Sometimes when I'm on the live sessions, I take trades. Like it happened with NFP. I did money with NFP, and I think some other people made money with me. And we had some sessions when we had the possibility that we took some nice profit together. So I can see for a moment that it closed above the yellow line, but I really don't like that we have, let's say, 10 pips here, and I can see that the price, it's rejecting also on the 1 hour and trying to come back down, also because the price on the 1 hour didn't close above. Okay, that's why all the time you need confirmation. So I really want to see what it will happen, let's say after 1 hour, if the price will break through this area, or the price, it will reject from here and then maybe to come back down again. Well, new subscriber in your VIP today. Well, welcome. Well, how can I say? Welcome to my family. Welcome to this beautiful team of people that I have it on the group, on the VIP, and also on the educational, and I can say that I'm very proud of them because they are trying to learn every day and new stuff, and I like that they're trying to send charts with their ideas, and they are asking questions, and they are very active, and this I like about this group, and also because they are very polite. Okay, and they respect everything that I am doing. So guys, I don't really like anything about this one, about this pair. I am staying a lot on GJ because I like to scalp GJ, and I told you why, because it moves a lot, but here I didn't like what happened, and I explained you why, and I hope that it was like a very good lesson staying here with me on this live session. And anytime when I will find opportunities, of course, and definitely I will take the trades. Okay, and you will be taking them in the same time with me. Let me go to EURJPY and see on the 4 hour. EURJPY also on the daily. It's kind of like moving the same, rejecting from that area. Let me see, EURUSD. Also is the first day of the week, it's Monday, so don't expect that Monday could, let's say, the price can move during Asia session, or maybe London session, and in the London to be a little bit calm, and then at the end of the London session the price can move and make something, let's say, spectacular. But usually I don't really like Mondays because it doesn't do too much effect on the market, and I like very much Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and sometimes I have noticed that sometimes Friday the market shifts. Okay, so on the 4-hour GJ it seems like it's trying to reject from this area and nothing really special will happen. So if you want to trade the GJ, keep an eye on this pair, and I will do exactly like this for you to be sure. Wait, short position. So if the price will close under this area, okay, you can have a sell from here, okay, and with a very small stop loss. Okay, you have to know how to manage your trade. Okay, so if the price will close under this green line 146,374, then you can have a sell until 146,122. Okay, this could be an idea. Okay, but about the buy, I really don't like, and I really want to see how the price will close, because at this moment I really don't like it, and maybe it's just trying to range, and maybe the price will continue to go up later on. I don't know. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I am waiting for you on my group chat, or I'm waiting for you on the trading view also to see my weekly analysis, and I'm waiting for you on the Instagram, where you can give a like and a comment on the page of BloomFX Signals and so on. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't overtrade, and if you see GJ maybe breaking down this area, you can have a sell for about I don't know, 20 pips. I don't know how much it measured here. Okay, so take care of yourself and don't overtrade.